Right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. It's actually really simple. Let's say you have a document and you want to automatically create a table of contents, or if you want to do it manually, there's many ways, okay? So just come here, click on References. Actually, let me move this to the next page so it looks much better. So here we go. I moved that to the next page. Now here I'm going to put my table of contents. Just come here, click on References, click on this table of contents, okay? And then you have a bunch of options. You can choose automatic table one, automatic table two, whatever, whichever option suits you, whichever one you like, just click on it. Boom, here we go. Shows your table of contents, Microsoft Word on page two. This is the main topic, and these are the subtopics for this main topic. It's really that simple. And if you wanted to edit that, you can come here, you can do custom tables, you can play around with it. Okay, how many levels you want to show, and if you wanna show any page numbers, if you wanna right align the page numbers or not, this is what it's gonna look like. This is if you remove the page numbers. So those are many options you can play around with. Okay, just play around with it, see if it works out for you, if you like what it looks like. And you can like the video if you like. If you wanna comment, you can do that. If you wanna subscribe, that would help, but no pressure. Okay, good luck.